Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze weekly gold chart XAU USD. Okay, now I am in for our chart XAU USD. Let's see what will happen in next week gold. Okay, you can see this candle, this buy candle break with bearish candles last week. This is we called dominant break. Dominant break sell has obtained in last week. You can see here I am using Fibonacci for the take places for take profits levels. Okay, there's a dominant break sell has occurred in last week. So two target already achieved gold in last week. Huge sell options. Okay, two targets already achieved last week. Okay, I'm using Fibonacci for takes these levels. Okay, so there's a huge sell options in last week. Okay, let's see what will happen in next week. This week I'm moved to the line chart now. You can see the left, there's a huge support area. I am drawing this. There's a support area in this left side. Okay, price will be moving to this support area in this week. Okay, price will retest this zone, this support zone in this week. I am predicting this price action in this week. Price move to this support area and this support will be resistance in this week. So 1660 is my target. So my prediction is this for